Okay, and so yeah, had to lick the bowl. So the patties gonna look like this. Okay, I'm gonna let these dehydrate for about 2 or 3 days. Okay, and you want to put that on 105 degrees. I got it on 105 degrees. That preserves the enzyme integrity. Okay, and so Siki all miss. He made a nice smoothie. And I also made this live ketchup yesterday. All right, and hold on. So Fierce Truth Seeker also made this raw bread the other day. All right, and I'll show y'all how to make that one day too. It came out very nice. Okay, so we'll be back in 3 days and let you know how the burgers came out. Until then, go home, eat.